Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to upgrade BR-MLX-100Gx2. This is a 2-port 100 gig card brocade or what is the Extreme Networks. So basically the customer wants me to upgrade this module, this line card to the management, to the match the same firmware version on the management module. So we are going to perform that, and then let me show you which version is exactly that my customer need. Show version is that one right here, 06300Z. Some customer, they send me this number right here. So basically I just use to execute version just to make sure that they are talking about this particular firmware right here. So basically, let me show module to make sure that it's not module on the chassis. They have 4 slot chassis. So let me insert the module, but I'm pretty sure that the code, the firmware code, is totally different. So the unit will not synchronize with that code because it's very old. I already checked that. So basically, in my case, what I really want to do is just execute LP boot system interrupted and the slot number. You can select all if you have all the slot install it on modules installed in all 4 slot chassis, but in my case I only have a slot number 2. That is where the module is, and then I will exit, save any configuration, remain, because I don't want because when you insert the card, immediately a synchronization process start. Try to upgrade the boot code, the monitor code, the primary code from the management to the module. But in this case, the version that is a little old, so I prefer execute the upgrade manually. So let me insert the module, and then for sure it will not boot, will boot into the interactive mode. So the module is inserted on the slot number 2, and then we are going to execute, basically upgrade the firmware to the version 06300C, and basically we need about 4 different files. The first file is the boot, the second file monitor, the application, and the combined FPGA, to synchronize the same code on the management module. So basically, let's show module. Right now it's trying to synchronize, but since I execute this one right here, the module will boot into the interactive mode, because that way it's more is the right way to upgrade the module while it's into the interactive mode. So basically, let's see if still. So the unit boot, and look at that, boot into the interactive mode. So show module just to make sure. So right here you can execute our console to go into the console module, and then you can reset the unit from here and check this code on the module. This is the old version that it was on the module. This, as you can see, was the version, and there is a couple commands right here in order to to reset the model and all that kind of stuff. So let's go exit from here, and let's check if we have connectivity to the TFTP server, and it's correct. So we are executing first the boot monitor, the boot code for the module. So basically that is this right here, copy TFTP LP 192.168.0.102, and the file is this one right here. Copy, paste, and boot. If we need to specify to which module, so in this case, if we have, or if we are grading the four modules on the chassis, we specify all, but in this case only the module number two. So that's the first file, which is the boot code. So now we are updating the monitor, which is you know, the same command, just change the file name. Monitor number 2, and we need to execute delete first in order to delete copy. I'm sorry about that, but monitor number 2, okay, all, and delete first. I don't know why, but that's what the command works. So that will delete the previous version on the model, on the line card. Remember, we can check, and this was the, you know, all code right there. So we are upgrading to this one right here. So now we need to upgrade the primary code, which is copy TFTP LP 192.168.0.102, and the primary code is XMLP, this one right here. Paste primary, the slot number, and again all, and delete first to delete the old code and upgrade the new one. So this will take a few minutes, and then after that we are upgrading the a combined LP FGA application, which is a combined image, which include about like maybe 16 files, but you can upgrade all of them with just one command, and I will show you that in a bit. So the primary image is also complete. Now we are going to upgrade the FPGA combined image. Copy TFTP to LP 192.168.0.102, and the file name. Paste. This is a long process, because there is like about 16 files that need to be upgraded. This is the combined image for sure. And then FPGA-O, I mean, all mean that all files, and all means the all slot. Look at that. You can specify number 2, and let's see, and then you can select or choose force override, you know, to delete all code or all firmware and upgrade with a new code. Enter. This will take about like maybe 7 to 8 minutes. I will just, you know, pause the video. There we go. See, this is the 16 image in a bundle. So this will take a few minutes for sure. Hello guys, the process of the combined FPGA is done. So we are just basically need to reboot the module. I mean, there is a command that you type in order, you know, to reset only the module and not the whole chassis. So this command is LP boot system MP and primary and the slot number. LP boot system MP primary is slot number 2. Enter. and that will reset only the module on the slab 2, not the whole chassis. Especially, if the chassis is in production, you cannot just reload the chassis like that. You only upgrade the module, reset the module, bring the module online, and you can start configuring all parameters on these interfaces, or whatever your configuration is. So basically, look at that. So this will take maybe couple minutes, something like that. And also, let me mention something else. There is another way to upgrade the whole chassis, and this is using the manifest file, which basically is a script. So using that script, you can upgrade the management and the line cards all at the same time with just one command. I will not execute that in here, but I can do a video for that. But I will show you just the command, to execute the upgrade using the manifest file, and with just one command you upgrade everything on the chassis. So let's wait until this is complete. So the unit already boot, and look at that. Show version. It showed me the version of the management and the module, which is already up right there. That's the module number 2 right there. Look at that. It's slab 2, and this is the the code, the primary, the monitor, and the boot in all these SPG version that we already upgrade using the combined image. So show module right there. That's the model number of the chassis. The card is up, and 2 ports, 100 gig, and the slot number 2. So let's just make a quick test on this port right here. Show media to show me the optics connector on on the port. So let's go and execute configure terminal interface Ethernet 2-1 enable to bring the module online. The interface. I'm sorry. 2-2 enable. So this is the 2 brocade optic that I have in there. Let me connect the cable just to make a basic test. Is just to check if the interface comes up. So let's check from here. Exit, and show interface brief. Yeah, there we go. So basically, these are the 2 port 100 gig that are up and working. So look at that. So basically, that's the how do you upgrade the code, to the into the line card. And also, as mentioned, you can also use copy. TFTP, and you can do system, and right here system uh, 192.168.0.102, and right there manifest, and then manifest, and then the manifest file name, which is this one right here. Let me show you. Copy, paste. So, and that is how with this command you upgrade chassis and the line cards. So basically, this is a script, and let me show you how the script look like. Don't modify nothing in there, because you can damage the script. But this is basically the script, which include all image right there. You need to keep all these files in the directories. You just move the file from there, the script doesn't work. So you need to all this is the combined FPGA application. All this file right there. So this is for the management, and this is how the manifest is. So you can execute this particular command and upgrade the whole chassis at the same time. Okay guys, this will be everything for today. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And if you like the video, please give me a like, share with your friends and co-workers. And I see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. See you.